Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your PC is ready. Update GPU drivers and confirm your monitor resolution and refresh rate. Next, install Wallpaper Engine from Steam or the free Lively Wallpaper app. These handle live backgrounds reliably. Once installed, you'll import a video file, MP4 or WebM works best, and place it in the apps library. Make sure the file is optimized for your display size so the app doesn't upscale and cause stuttering. You're now set to configure the wallpaper settings in the app. Once the video is imported, open the Wallpaper app's properties and set scaling to native resolution. This preserves sharpness. You should target 60 FPS if your display supports it, but lower the rate to 30 on older GPUs to prevent frame drops. Enable hardware decoding and GPU acceleration to offload work from the CPU. Also configure performance options, pause on battery or when a game is full screen, and limit FPS when idle. These steps keep the live wallpaper fluid without you finish by saving the wallpaper profile and assigning it to one or multiple monitors. Set the app to launch at startup if you want persistence. Test by opening everyday apps and a game to confirm it pauses or limits resources correctly. If you see stutter, high GPU temps, or audio sync problems, lower the wallpaper bitrate, or FPS, and switch the codec between MP4 and WebM. If problems continue, update the Wallpaper app and GPU drivers, and check background overlays that may conflict with hardware acceleration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.